Hello everybody, Rainbow Strike here. You know me, the #1 Nick Wilde fan, the #1 Wild Hops hater, and most importantly, the #1 Nongi simp. Today we're finally going to be doing the video I've been teasing since like the first trailer of Zootopia 2 came out, my Nick Wilde haul video. I would have filmed and vlogged me getting all this stuff, but my gosh, it's just been really stressful trying to get all this stuff and not everything was available in stores. I had to get them online. Yeah, I would have a lot more stuff. It's just there really isn't that a lot to get in stores, but this is all that I could really get. And anyway, let's just jump into the video. First rule before I get started with the video, I'm mostly and mainly only going to be focusing on the Nick Wilde stuff. Yes, there is like, some Judy figures and stuff and nibbles, but I'm mostly going to be focused on just purely the Nick Wilde stuff. So if you're here to like have an in-depth look of everything, just be warned that this is mostly going to be focused on Nick Wilde, and if I am going to be focusing on other characters, it's going to be my other favorites of the movie. But anyway, let's get started. We're going to be working our way up from the little stuff to the big stuff. So yeah, let's finally get started with our first thing. The Nick Wilde pin. This was released about a year or two ago at a D23. This along with a pin and a poster that I couldn't obtain. One of the first pieces of merchandise for the movie. And it's really cool. It's not anything that special, but I really like it. I think it's really cute. And I think it was like our first look at like a 3D render of Nick in Zootopia 2. This was like our first look at him. And obviously he looks great. It's a pretty cool piece of merchandise. I also have the Judy one, but we're only focusing on the Nick one today. And yeah, I really like it. Next up was the McDonald's toys, and Nick only had 2 figures, and here's what the box mostly looked like. I lost the Happy Meal, which was pretty cool because it had like a furry face on it. And yeah, here's the first one where it looks like outside the box. I think it's really cute. You can see him riding on like a Linksley's painting. They both have a function. When you pull back, they like move, I think. I don't really know. I haven't really tried these out. I mostly am just gonna keep this as display, so I don't know the function. Okay, they just roll. I put it on this table. You can't really display the rolliness of it, but you get the gist of it. I think they're both really cute, and for Happy Meal toys, they look pretty great. Next we have is the keychain Funko Pop. Obviously, it looks adorable, so let's open it and see how it looks. Ah, he looks so cute. Oh, he's gonna be perfect. He's perfect as a keychain. I will not use it as a keychain just purely for display, but he looks great. And yeah, he looks really cute. Oh my gosh, he's so small. It's so adorable. Yeah, no, but this is really cool, really cute. And yeah, I think now that we're on the Funko Pops, let's actually get to the big one now. Gosh damn it, focus. Ah! Funny enough, I actually have 2 Funko Pops, one to display and one to get out of the box. Yes, I'm one of those collectors. Here's what the box looks like on the outside. Really cute, really fun. And yeah, let's get to opening it up. Here's what he looks like outside the box, and he looks fantastic. It even comes with a little stand, which I don't buy a lot of Funko Pops. I only buy them when they actually have a character I want to get, so I didn't know if that was a new thing or not, but it's new to me, and it looks pretty cool. It looks great, full turnaround. Oh my gosh, the detailing is really good and really cute. This is definitely better than the first Funko Pop of Nick Wilde when they released back in 2016. Definitely a lot better because he actually smiles in this one and actually has a cute, his like little sly expression. But yeah, it looks great. Next up, we have the cute little blind bags. One of them is open because I had to make sure it was Nick Wilde. This one, I'm pretty sure is Nick Wilde. Like, I don't know what character has like when I was feeling it around, it definitely felt like him. And here's another one that wasn't really like specifically released for Zootopia 2. It was released for an Easter special, Easter collaboration or whatever. And it looks really cute. Only a little pot of flowers or bag of flowers or whatever with eggs. It's really cute. But yeah, let's get to opening this one. Hopefully it is Nick Wilde. Yep, I was right. This is a Nick Wilde, and this is like a magnet version of whatever, like of the keychain version right here. Yeah, so this one, yeah, there's a magnet version of it. Obviously, like the keychain version a lot more, but this one's still really cool, and I'm glad I got him. And then yeah, we have the Easter one, all really really cute. I'm sorry that the camera's freaking blurry. My freaking phone sucks. But yeah, no, all of them look really, really good. And I'm glad that I got Nick Wilde, especially from a blind bag. Next up, we have the Funko Minis. And of course, I had to get only my favorite characters. So let's open them all up. All right, here's what they all look like out of the box. And here's what the inside of the box are. Nothing really special. Here in the back, it just has the other characters you want to collect. Well, I only got the ones I wanted to collect. So yeah, they all look really cute. I love the detailing and the like little style that they all have. Like old 50s Disney cartoon style. I think is really cute. Yeah, no, this is adorable. Oh man, look at the little pose that they gave him. It's adorable. Yeah, no, they all look great. They all look cool. Had to get my favorites. But yeah, these look really incredible. Here's a pretty strange one. This is also another Happy Meal toy. This is to celebrate the 70 years of Disney and all the characters you could possibly collect. And my gosh, there's so many. So I was pretty lucky to get Nick in this one. So let's open him up. So this is what we got. Yeah, it's nothing too special, but it's Nick Wilde, so I don't care. I love it. It's adorable. Very flat, very strange Happy Meal toy, but it looks really cute. Gosh darn it, the focus. Next up is the mystery figure ones, or mystery tales line. This is pretty crazy, not pretty weird, pretty cute. These are all the characters you can possibly collect. Obviously, I had to get the one with Nick Wilde, but let's get to opening and see who the mystery character is. Damn, I thought I had to like, you know, it's in a little package. I already spoiled myself on who it is. I got the pig officer. It's kind of lame, not gonna lie. He's a pig officer. Don't care. We're gonna focus on Nick. Look how cute he is. This is a cute little figure. Yeah, a little pretty. Ooh, wow, he looks great there. Yeah, a little turnaround. He's pretty darn cute. Yeah, no, I like it. It's pretty cute. Nothing special, but it's a cute little chibi figure of him, so I love it. Super cute, super cute. One last thing is this adorable little keychain of the popsicle. Looks really cute. What does that say? What does that say? Enjoy your popsicle. Yeah, pretty cute. Nothing special. Obviously, I'm not going to use it as a keychain just as a display, but it looks really cool and adorable. Let's now move on to the AMC collaboration. Honestly, this is kind of like one of the lamer popcorn buckets, but I still think it's really cute. I love the ears, and obviously I love the cup. It's adorable. So this popcorn bucket is probably my least favorite thing about this whole AMC thing. But what the hell is in there? Oh, just that. Just a 2D image of all the characters. Some not even from Zootopia 2. Like that's an image from Gazelle from 1. I'm trying to think of. Okay, besides like the new characters and Nick and Judy and Gary, there's like just a bunch of stock images from the first movie, and nothing special. But I guess it's cute. I guess I love the ears though. The ears, they're adorable. There were also Judy ears, but I only had to get Nick because why the hell would I get Judy's ears? And the cup is pretty cool. The figure looks adorable. Yeah, it has dirt eyes though, but it still looks great in my opinion. The cup itself is pretty okay. Mostly just gonna turn it where Nick's face is on, obviously. Yeah, nothing too special, but I quite like it. My favorite part of it is the ears and the little figure on top. Overall, pretty good. Next, let's focus on this little plush of him, and it is adorable. Any Nick plush is adorable, honestly. This is really cute. Little spin around. Nothing too crazy, but I love it. It's adorable. I got this one at not Five Below. I got those figures at Five Below. This I got at Box Lunch. Yeah, it looks really cute. For little chibi plush goes, oh, there he goes. Really adorable. Okay, since we've got all the little stuff out of the way, now let's focus on the big stuff. Gosh, that was cringy. All right, let's do the weird little plush collection. It has Nick in it, so I had no choice but to get the other characters. All right, here's all the characters. I will focus on Gary at least, because I really do like Gary. Really cute, nothing that special. But yeah, there's Gary, but yeah, Nibbles, okay, go away. All right, just Nick. I promise you, I'm not hating on those characters. I just want to only focus on Nick Wilde for the video. And yeah, he looks pretty cute. Again, I wouldn't have gotten all this, but it has a Nick thing in it, so I had to get it. And it is pretty cute, I guess. Nothing special. I would say the other plushies are a lot better. But for a Nick Wilde mini plush, I guess, it's not bad. Oh my goodness, so the Gary one looks incredibly adorable. Look at him. Oh, look at his little, I didn't even notice it. Look at his little tongue. Oh, that's adorable. All right, finally. Now time to this. I've been wanting to open this for a while, but I had to wait for this video. I waited for you guys to open this. Gosh darn it. But I did it because I love making videos for you guys. Love each and every one of y'all. These look absolutely fantastic. Nick obviously looks adorable with the little accessory that he has. Pauver, Gazelle, all looks really cool and cute. Quick little turnaround. He's kind of stuck in this position because when you put his arm down, he just does that. So he's kind of stuck in like in the shrugging position, but it's still cute. Quick little turnaround. Looks pretty cool. The legs and arms you can move around. Oh, and also the tail. Yeah, pretty cute figure. I do like it a lot. You can also do the same with the Gazelle. I think you can also, it seems like you need to detach the cape. I don't want to. Oh, you can, but I don't want to. And the figure, a lot of detail. The paint job is good. Pauver also, you can move around the arms, but they're kind of stuck in one position. So yeah, it looks weird, but it still works. I think you can't really make him sit down though. But still, really cute figure. Also, Gary really doesn't have anything articulate. It's just a cute little figure. Ooh. The detailing, though, was amazing on this. Wow. Can you move the head? Oh, you can. You can move the head. Sorry if the thing's out of focus, but yeah, wow. Oh, no, I broke his neck. Gary, no. Very cute set of figures, but obviously the Nick one is the best and cutest and hottest and everything else above. Time to move all you out of the way because now we're going to focus on The talking plush. Oh, I'm sorry, Nick. The talking plush. So he has 10 lines, but since he's on try me mode, he only has 2, and here's are the 2.
Hey, bud, nice to see ya. Hey, Carrots, who is better partners than us?
All right, well, let's see the other voices. All right, Nick, sorry I have to do this to you, but I have to lift up your shirt to put you on play me mode. Oh, gosh. I'm so sorry. All right.
Hey, Carrots, who
Hey.
is better partners than us?
Before we get to the voices, this thing is massive. He is so big, he's so cute, so soft, and so cuddly. Oh my gosh, he's adorable. Now let's get to hearing the voices. Oh boy.
Carrots, I have a trail. Missed me already, huh? Just saying it's a great plan. Dream team, right? Hey, Carrots, who is better partners than us? We're gonna figure this out. Thanks for the bedtime story. Can I talk to you for just a sec?
I didn't let him finish for the bedtime story. Oh no.
Hey, bud, nice to see ya. Take a break. I'll buy you a jumbo pop.
That was cute.
Missed me already, huh?
Oh, I like that one. I do miss you. Miss you a lot. I'm gonna try to cycle back to the bedtime story one to see what it is in full.
Just saying it's a great plan. Dream team, right? Hey, bud. Carrots, I have a... thanks for the bedtime story. Night-night.
Wait, that's adorable. Oh my gosh. Oh, I absolutely love this. And the best part about him is, hell yeah, dude. Alright, we probably got, let me finish through my favorite of all the Nick Wilde collections. Now let's do the last one right here, at least, of the toys. This giant face. This thing is massive and so cute. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is a full turnaround. Oh man, it is so fluffy and so soft. It is adorable. Now this is so cute, and it looks great. The stitching looks good. Look at the little tongue with a little tooth out. Oh my gosh, this is like adorable. Oh my gosh, these little tags. I kind of want to leave the tags on because they look really good. Oh my gosh, yeah, I got this from that store, Miniso. This is like one of the only things I really wanted from that store. There really wasn't a lot of options that I really needed, but this I definitely needed from that store. Oh my gosh. My gosh, I have made a mess. Let's clean this all up so I can show off all the Nick stuff. Gosh, it's just all orange. But yeah, here's everything that I've collected and some of the stuff I don't really care about. Here's everything I've collected. Oh my gosh, it all just looks adorable. I cannot wait to display these in my room. And yeah, this is just really, really cool. It all just looks really cool together. We're not done yet, though, because my good friend Gary the Snail reminded me that we still need to go through the trading cards that were released during the release of Zootopia 2. So thank you so much for bringing that to my attention, Gary, and for bringing my card book. So there's no particular order, so let's just run it down. Right here we have Francine's. And I will say right now that not all these cards are for specifically Zootopia 2, but they did release around the time of Zootopia 2, so that's why I'm still going to cover them all. Sorry it's a bit glaring. Actually, I think it would be better if I turn off the light. Right, that kind of fixes it. So yeah, here we have the 2 Francine cards. The reason why there's 2 is because the one is foil and one is just a regular card. Here we have here's for Mayor Winddancer. All right, continue. We have a bunch of Nick Wilde cards, and they all look fantastic and cute. Here's one where he's wearing his pink outfit and Judy's new outfit. Here's the foil version of that. Gosh dang it, focus. Another card right there. Let's see. And down here, another one, not really for Zootopia 2, but still looks pretty cool. All right, continuing on. This card is pretty special because this was released specifically for Zootopia 2. This is the scene where Nick and Judy are chasing Gary throughout Marsh Market. And this was actually, you can only obtain this card through certain theaters, which I think is really cool. So it's a very exclusive, very limited card, and it's really shiny. That's cool. All right, continuing forward. This is actually also from the first film. I think the rest of these are from the first film. I think this one is for the second film. I could be wrong. I mean, Nick is wearing something green, so probably not. But it's still a cool card regardless. And I only got this just because Nick's in the card. I do not care about Chief Boko, but I only got it because Nick's on it. And then we got some Gazelle cards. Here's her in her red dress. And this beautiful green when she's in, the beautiful green dress that she's in right now. Please focus. Yeah, they look great. So yeah, that's all the cards that I have, at least for Zootopia 2. If you guys want to see the rest of the card book, oh no. Anyway, what the fuck is the focusing? Anyway, as I was saying, if you guys want to see the rest of the card book, I will be showing it off in my room tour video, which will be coming out very soon. I know I've been delaying it for a while. It's just, I've just been depressed a lot lately, and also I've just been too busy with Christmas and the holidays. I've also been really sick. As you can tell, I got sick again because of my, if you can hear it in my voice, see, I can't really even talk right now, stuttering a lot. But anyway, I will be featuring it in my room tour video, and it's being worked on, especially now that I opened all this. I can now put this in my room. So yeah, that room tour video will be coming out very soon. I hope you guys are excited for that video. I can also, and like I said, I'll be showing off the rest of the cards in this book. And for the very last thing are some of the clothes I released for Zootopia 2. Here's a really cool Nick Wilde jersey. It's really cool. There's even like a little badge there. Very, very nice. 16 for when the movie released, 2016. Wilde. Oh, I love this jersey. It's really cool, really fun, and really cute. Yeah, this one's a really cool little design here. I got this one at Box Lunch. And another just plain, and then we got just a normal t-shirt, Nick Wilde Incognito. Really, really cute. Really love the design. Love the printing. Absolutely looks really fun. Nothing in the back, but the front certainly looks really, really cool. And I love it. All right, so that's everything. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and staying to the end. This was really fun to make, also really stressful because there's a lot of stuff to cover, but I was really happy to get through it all. Please like and subscribe, and also thank you guys so much for getting me to over 30,000 subscribers. I am so grateful for each and every one of you. Thank you guys so much. I cannot wait to make even more videos. This year is going to be huge. With the release of so many good movies last year, I do plan on making a lot of videos, a lot of them AMVs, a lot of them reviews, and I will try to get part 2 of ranking every movie I've seen last year. I'm just, like last year, really busy, but I will try to get to it sooner rather than later, but I don't know when. But anyway, thank you guys so much. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time.